Hey friends, if you wish to check your installed RAM on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for System Information in the Windows search bar and open System Information. Go to the System Summary tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and check for the installed physical memory or the RAM and the total physical memory. Okay, in my case, it is 16 GB. Okay, and then another 19.6 GB virtual memory, but the installed physical RAM is only 16 GB. So to check more about it, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, which is the second tab on the list on the left hand side, and go to the Memory section here. Expand it and you will find the available RAM after the one which is utilized. You will also notice the amount of RAM which is committed here. So it will also mention the number of slots, like I have two slots of for RAM and both of them are used as of now, and it also shows the speed, and the total RAM is shown here, which is 16 GB, and the utilizable RAM is 15.2 GB. So this is how we can check the dynamic statistics of a RAM and also the static ones. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.